Hey there, future scientists and engineers. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we learn. AI uses computer programs to do things that normally need human smarts. In schools, AI can help us learn faster, better, and fairer. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we explore AI in K-12 education. Imagine a classroom where computers can personalize lessons for each student. That's the power of AI in education. AI can create personalized learning paths for every student. It's like having a tutor who knows exactly how you learn best. AI systems can track your progress and adjust the lessons to match your needs. They can provide extra support if you're struggling in challenging activities if you're ready to zoom ahead. With AI, learning becomes more engaging and fun. No more getting bored or feeling lost in a crowded classroom. AI helps make education accessible for everyone, regardless of their abilities. For students with disabilities, AI tools can be life-changing. Imagine text-to-speech software that reads aloud for students who are visually impaired, or speech recognition software that helps students with mobility issues communicate their ideas. AI can also translate languages in real time, helping students who are learning English or other languages keep up with their classmates. AI promotes inclusivity and ensures that everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Teachers Tech Helper, AI to the rescue. Teachers work incredibly hard. AI can help lighten their load by taking over time-consuming tasks like grading. AI-powered systems can grade multiple-choice quizzes and even assess some written work, giving teachers more time to spend with their students. AI can also analyze student performance data to identify areas where students might be struggling. This helps teachers provide targeted support and interventions to ensure that every student thrives. AI and ethics playing fair. While AI offers incredible potential, it's important to use it responsibly. We need to make sure that AI systems are fair and unbiased. For example, we don't want AI algorithms to unfairly disadvantage students from certain backgrounds. We also need to protect student data and privacy. It's crucial to use AI in a way that respects student rights and keeps their information safe. AI in action tools and training for teachers. Many free AI-powered tools are available to help teachers integrate AI into their classrooms. These tools can assist with personalized learning, accessibility, and even classroom management. Professional development opportunities can help teachers learn how to use these tools effectively and responsibly. By embracing AI, teachers can enhance their teaching practices and create more engaging and effective learning experiences for their students. The human touch, still essential in the age of AI. While AI is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that technology is just one part of the equation. The human connection between teachers and students remains irreplaceable. AI can enhance education, but it can never replace the creativity, empathy, and critical thinking that are essential for success in life. Let's use AI to create a future where technology and human connection work together to empower every student to reach their full potential.